Reach all your gear in 1.1 seconds. Introducing the Top Shelf Camera Bag, the first camera bag to give you full access to all your gear in one smooth, seamless action. For decades, camera bags have struggled to balance speed with access. After 5 years of prototyping and testing, we finally created the world's first open layout bag that gives you both. Just swing, click, and have all your gear ready at your fingertips. Top Shelf features a fast access latch that opens quickly when you need it and securely locks with a simple press. Don't worry about equipment falling out. It's the same system used to secure hoods in race cars, so your gear is safe. And if you want, zip it up for extra security. The bag swings into a flat tabletop position, creating a stable platform for you to switch lenses, bodies, batteries, filters, or cards. It also makes a great workstation in the field, and an impromptu stabilizer for video shots. Customizable dividers give you endless options to organize your gear, accommodating for the largest lenses and smallest accessories. Best of all, you can quickly switch between a sling bag and a backpack without Top Shelf ever touching the ground. Enjoy speedy access when shooting and even weight distribution when traveling. If you don't have time to switch, a side access door gives you fast access to preferred gear in backpack mode. Top Shelf also features a side pocket with a hidden laptop sleeve and phone slot, 2 additional front pockets for extra gear, and a hidden tripod strap for easy carry. Speed, access, security, stability. Top Shelf is everything you need and want in a camera bag. Back our campaign now and never waste another second reaching for gear again. We are Bevis Gear. We're adventurers and photographers just like you. We made Top Shelf to solve our own needs, but it's now expanding to so much more. We're ready to start manufacturing and just need the funds to make it happen. We promise to continue to innovate and create powerful solutions for your everyday problems. Thank you for supporting us. We couldn't do this without you. Order yours now and never waste a second reaching for gear again.
Thanks for watching. If you love this product, there's a link below this video where you can get more information. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for instant updates anytime that we release videos featuring some of the most amazing trending products.